I'm T2, and today, I'll share with you my story. There was a time when I was so poor. I had no home to live. I was so hesitant and shy to interact with people, but I really liked Mara at the first glance as she was so kind to me and offered me her lap. Then I slowly tried to adjust with the people in the home and learned going out of home by flying. But I got failed because of my age. I was just 3 months old, and I didn't know how to fly. But I didn't lose hope and believed in me. And finally, I learned flying and came out of my home. I can't tell you how much happy I was that day. I made friends with whom I watch videos together. I also started studying. I love BTS songs now. I finally got my new home, and I am happy now. But I still miss my old home.